Welcome back to Daytime Live. I'm gonna know about him, a joke. All of us are truly happy, very happy right now, because as we promised, we have a big favorite singer and songwriter, Tessanne, who is here to spread some Christmas cheer with us. And guess what? She has big plans for Sunday, so we're gonna start with that. Yes, the Voice Box. Tell us about it.
Voice Box Performing. Oh, do I need it? Okay. Voice Box Performing Arts is a space that we created for young artists from ages 6 to 18 to be able to hone their crafts in the performing arts. And their show, the culmination of that is happening on Sunday at 6 o'clock at the Carl Hendrickson Auditorium, also known as JC. Gates open at 6.
Awesome.
Showtime is 7. Come check it out.
And you can get your tickets at the Shusan.
Yes.
And I think it's voicebox@gmail.com.
Voicebox876@gmail.com. You can also get tickets at Copycat.
Lovely.
And big up to our sponsors.
All right, so you have a Christmas song right now called Christmas is Better With You.
Yes.
Tell us a little bit about that and how it came about.
Honestly, it was just, I didn't really grow up with Christmas. So being able to see Christmas now through my daughter's eyes is a very wonderful thing.
Nice.
And it's just better because of it.
Yes,
so we wanted to also write a Christmas song that in Jamaica, we not have snow. We don't have no mistletoe. We don't have them things. So I wanted to write a Christmas song that felt warm and wonderful and cheerful like us, you know?
I love
awesome.
that.
Thank you.
Tessanne, I don't know how often I can say it, that you are one of the voices that listen. If God did ask me, what do you want in life? The one thing, it would be a voice like Tessanne. I just think you're absolutely amazing.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you.
So with that, we have to let you perform.
Okay.
And I'll be in the background singing with you.
Please do.
Yes. Please put your hands
Please do.
together
Sing with me.
for a special performance by Tessanne.
The stage is yours, Tessa.
Thank you.
Ain't got no mistletoe, ain't got no type of snow, but it don't matter though, 'cause I got you. Don't need no fancy things, it's just the joy you bring. My heart is caroling, 'cause I got you. And there's a magic in the season, you're my every reason. Ain't no better feeling than spending time with you. Christmas is better with you. Christmas is better with you. And it's better when we're together, baby, it's true. Christmas is better with you. Yeah. Woo, 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 woo. Hey, come on. There's sweetness all around, such happiness to be found. They're playing our favorite songs. Let's make a toast to life, no matter what it brings, the good and bad and in between. Oh, it's the simple things that means the most. And on this sweet December morning, to be with you, my darling, it's everything I could ask for, it's true. Christmas is better with you. Christmas is better with you. And it's better when we're together, baby, it's true. Christmas is better with you. Yeah, it's better with you. Christmas is better with you. And on this sweet December morning, to be with you, my darling, it's everything I could ask for, it's true. Christmas is better with you. Hey, it's better with you. It's better with you. And it's better when we're together, baby, it's true. Christmas is better with you.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
know.
That one is going on my playlist
Oh,
too. I have a
thank
whole
you.
Tessanne. Okay, I'm sounding like almost. So who worked with you on this track?
Oh, you know what? This is a good story. It was my nephew Geomar Mitchell who produced this track, a live
big
track.
up.
He produced the vocals and he also co-wrote it along with another great friend of mine called Olaf Blackwood. So
Olaf, yeah,
keeping it in the family. Very proud of you, Gio.
Tessanne, how can we find you on social media?
Oh, Jesus, this question. I think it's at the best test on Instagram. Lord, I got a cough.
Google her.
There we go. Yes, very live.
At the best test on Instagram, Chin Music on Facebook, and I think Tessanne Chin Official on TikTok.
Okay. Beautiful, Tessanne.
Thank you, Mama.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas to the
Christmas
family.
to you,
Beautiful,
guys.
beautiful. Nice to see you.
Oh, I will. It's been too long.
It has been a joy and an honor.
Oh, thank you.
So you do voice training for people?
Yes, we have teachers.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
absolutely.
I'll talk to you afterwards. Because Craigie is going to voice me on a track.
Yeah.
So Tessanne
I
will
heard it.
prepare me.
He said
and
it.
He will voice me.
Yeah.
He said, I got things coming up for
Yeah,
December.
but mood it, man. I mean,
Right.
you know, melody and attitude, mood things better. We can fix it.
Please remember to check on your loved ones and support as a community. Thank you so much for watching Daytime Live. When do we come back?
We come back on Tuesday with much more buzz, chat, vibe, and mix. Even though we're outside, please stay safe and healthy.
Yes.
Big up on yourself.
Yes, and you know, guess what? We're just gonna play this for you to vibe to while we close out, right? Remember to check out Tessanne's latest single, Christmas is Better with You.
Big up on yourself.
Woo! Christmas.